You can also view the UK LLC database directly with SQL Management Studio. You may wish to do this to check the views available to your project, view metadata and codelists available across the whole LLC database, or to operate on your data directly with SQL. Note you will only have permission to inspect tables or views within the UK LLC database that have been provisioned to your project or are available in a read-all schema, including codelist, descriptions, and values. To use SQL Management Studio, open it and enter SERP SQL in the server name when prompted. Then on the navigation bar, open Databases, scroll down to UK SERP UK LLC, then select either Views to see your project data or Tables to see the read-all tables. To inspect a table or view, right-click it and click Select Top 1000 Rows. This will automatically generate a script and then run it. You can alter the select statement to order, group, or count data however you see fit. For more help with programming in SQL, we recommend you visit w3schools.com/SQL.